tutorial, we will show you how to create modules. Modules allow you to organize your Canvas classroom or assignments into specific units, timeframes, or by any criteria you choose. Modules provide you the opportunity to provide students an organized way to view materials, assignments, and other resources that you upload to the course. Now, again, you're going to start on this screen more than likely. Make sure you go to Manage Subject. That's going to open up your navigation pane. From here, you want to click on Modules. You see here, I've already have some modules made. And again, you can expand them or contract them just by clicking this little arrow here. So I'm going to show you, we're going to add a module. You're going to name the module. Now, this is a good feature. You don't want to overwhelm your students sometimes with a whole lot of modules on there, especially if you're planning ahead. Here you can lock the module until a specific date. Now, the students will not be able to see that module until that time. So once you have everything there, oh, one other thing, prerequisites. You can also add a prerequisite. So let's say we don't want them to start on this module until after the 25th of September and until after they finish module 17. So therefore, the kids can access it at the earliest September 25th, and then not until they finish module 17. So those are ways that you can kind of pace your course for your students. Then you go over here and just hit add module, or you can cancel it if you don't like it. So we're going to add module. And again, if you want to get rid of a prerequisite, you can X out here. If you want to change the lock date, you can do here. So we're going to add the module. And that should show up at the bottom. Now, you don't have to keep this order. You can come over here. You see these three little things over here. If you click this, you can move the content. You can move the module. You can delete the module. You can duplicate it. Maybe you like the format of a certain module you did. You can duplicate it, which will give you the format, and maybe just change the content that's in there. You can send this module to another Canvas user. You can copy it to another one of your courses. You can share it to Commons. So Commons, again, that's a place where the community puts stuff. And you can grab stuff from there that maybe you can use. That could save you time. And if you think you have something good, share it to Commons. Let somebody else use it. Save them some time. So those are all your options there. Here, we have a drop-down box. We can publish the module in all items. Now, again, it'll be published. Now, if you put a prerequisite in there, or if you put that's not to open to a certain date, it still won't show to the students until the prerequisite is done or it reaches that date. But when that date does come, it will then show. You can publish the module only and not all the items. Maybe you want to see what's coming up, but you don't want them to see the items that are under there. Or you can unpublish module in all items. Okay, so once you have that, you now see your module. Now you can actually, another way too, I just want to go back, you can move it is you can just drag it. Grab a hold of these little dots over here, and you can just drag it and move it wherever you want. So now at this point, you come over to this little plus right here. This is how you add content to the module. You can drag and drop. I find that to be a bit cumbersome, or you can choose files if you want to do it that way. I like the plus. Now here, it gives you many things you can add. You can add an assignment you've already created. You can add a quiz if you created a quiz. You can add a file. Now each one of these quiz, you can go to create quiz if you don't have one already. You can choose how much you want to indent it to keep the formatting the way you want it. You can insert a file. Again, you have files already here that are on your course, or you can create another file and go search for one on your computer. You can add a page. Again, we talked about pages in the previous video. With the pages like these, read this article. It just directs them to a certain page that's on the Canvas course that you created. You can make it into a discussion. You can just have it as a text header. Maybe you want something just to introduce it, text header for this test module. View that, maybe indent it one level. So we're going to add that. So we have test module, and that's just a header. Maybe you have a certain unit that you're working on, maybe unit 1. External URL. Excuse me, you can paste a link to an external URL, a website, or an external tool. Maybe you want them to do a play posit. So those are all things you can add to the module. And again, a cancel or add item depending on what you want to do. Another thing I want to point out, these right here, that shows whether or not it's published. If it's got the blank circle with a line through it, it's not published. If you click that, it goes green with a white check mark. That means that it is published. And again, with these, you have different options as well. Edit, remove, you can move it, you can decrease the indent, increase the indent. So these are all ways that you can rate your course the way you want to through modules.